Hi everyone, I've been asked to make a short video on how to attach wings to an outfit. So this will just be a really short video tutorial, okay? Now you can see that I have already done it. I just made a basic outfit there, a top and pants, and then I attached my wings. And you can see these have turned out quite nice. So this is just your basic tutorial, okay? So let's get started. So I want to create an outfit, and like I say, I should have all this in here. So go into new style, female, torso, skinny top, skin and clothing, add texture. Now I should have this texture already uploaded. Yep, there it is. So I just use the ones that I've already got uploaded, so that's fine. Legs, skinny jeans, skin clothing, you leave the layer and the decal as is. Add texture, existing current group. Okay, and then we want to add the wings. Now I'm just going to add my wing. Now for adding the wings, it's female, other attachments. Now a word of warning here, using this will remove your long hair if you have long hair, okay? This is just one of RLC's foibles and there's not a lot you can do about it, at least not that I know of. So female other attachment, wings, and then you leave the layer of skin, and the decal you make a skin, and then add texture. And again, I've already got mine uploaded, but if you were making one, you would use this one here. Now you can see I've got a pair here, but I have cut off the left hand wing because you just use the right hand one, and you just move it in here. Let me show you. Well, first of all, let me just attach this now existing current group, and you can see I have my wings there. But if I wanted to make these longer, shorter, whatever, and you could see they're moved quite far to the left. If they're too far to the right, if they're too far to the left, then they tend to meld right into the back of the body and the hair into the back of the head and that. So again, it's just a case of testing. But I've tested these and they've worked perfectly. So now it's just a case of I've uploaded those, publish, test outfit, and there you go. That's that. So like I say, this was just a very short tutorial on how to attach the wings to an outfit, and as you can see I've lost my lovely long hair there, but it still looks good. Okay, so that's this video for now.